If you're a lawyer and you've done any quick searches about legal project management, you probably walk away with the impression that it's really only for big law. Well, in this video, I am going to bust 4 myths that solo and small firm practitioners might think about legal project management. If you don't know me, I'm Catherine, the resourceful lawyer, and I help lawyers design and build more efficient and profitable law firms. Okay, so myth number one, and this is one that I hear a lot. Project management is only for big law, the big firms that have the money and the resources to hire and project managers, dedicated project managers, maybe even they have a project management office, things like that. But let's just get rid of that misconception right away. Project management is a concept that has tools and techniques that can apply to any firm and any practice of any size. The second myth I hear all the time is that legal project management is too time consuming. It'll just take too much time to get it set up, and then it just requires a lot of time. As lawyers with solo or small practices, you might not think you want to have the time to invest in project management. However, the truth is that legal project management, when done well, will actually save you time. Sure, in the beginning, it might take a little more time to get things in place, but after that, you are going to realize efficiencies and it'll help you deliver better client service more efficiently, more profitably. So it's really worth the investment. And speaking of the investment, that comes to myth number three, which we were talking about an investment of time. Now we're talking about an investment of money. And one objection I hear, one myth, is that legal project management costs a lot of money. Well, it doesn't. You can use the tools you already have. You probably are used to managing your cases and running your law firm at the same time. So this is just putting some thought in the way you do that to really come up with a system and uh, streamline those tasks for you, and again save you that time. And it doesn't have to cost you a lot of money. There are a lot of tools out there that will work, and some of them are expensive, but others have free versions that are basic project management. And so, of course, if you've been on my channel, you know I'm a big fan of ClickUp, and that's what I use to manage my own practice as well as my consulting clients. Project management tools don't have to cost a lot of money. Use what you have, focus on the process, then you apply the tools. And for more information about that, of course, you need to check out my other videos. The last myth I'm going to bust today is that legal project management, or project management for lawyers, as I prefer to call it, is only for complex cases. And while a lot of my experience is in implementing project management tools and techniques for either a large volume of cases or particularly complex cases with a lot of parties, or matters with transactions with a lot of different parties, it certainly can help you with that, but it can also help you manage your day-to-day running of your business, and you can really tailor it to be as simple or as complex as you need to meet the needs of your firm. So it doesn't matter if you have one really big matter or 10, 100 smaller matters, or anywhere in between, you can take advantage of project management tools and techniques. As I like to say, project management helps you make sure that even for those most routine of cases, nothing falls through the cracks. Hopefully, in this video, I've convinced you that project management isn't just for big law. It isn't just for the most complex cases. It doesn't have to be expensive, and it doesn't have to be time consuming. In fact, it should save you time and money in the long run, and help you design and build your most efficient and most profitable law firm. Of course, if you need any support, you can always reach out to me, hello@theresourcefullawyer.com. Check out my website or book a call, and I'd be happy to talk and see how I can help you.